Hello, I am Professor Saurabh Bora. Today I am going to talk about a course that we are offering in IIM Ahmedabad. The name of the course is Marketing Luxury, Understanding the Challenges in a New World Business. If you look at the luxury business, it has evolved over a period of time. Globally, the industry is around $1.3 trillion. But most of the challenges and most of the growth in luxury markets are coming from emerging economies. Now, since things are coming from emerging economies, we need to understand how we are going to market and cope up with the new age challenges that are evolving. Let me give you an example. Look at this new age challenge of coronavirus. The recent events of coronavirus have forced luxury marketers to go online. Now, the question that remains is whether going online is going to help or hurt these luxury businesses in the long run. As such, we are going to look at multiple aspects related to business. We look at your company. So, for example, we look at different business model. And in luxury markets, there is new evolving business models. So, for example, some companies have started doing renting luxury. Now, that's a new business model that has evolved. So, we are going to look at different kinds of business model. We also look at evolving customers. Okay, different customer needs have also evolved. So, we are going to look at different customers. We are also going to look at the competition. Now, the competition in developed versus emerging markets are significantly different. In the emerging markets, you have counterfeit products, which is a major source of your competition. So, we are going to look at how you are going to compare these counterfeit products. We are also going to look at different collaborators, and some collaborators may include even government. So, for example, if you look at sustainability is a growing pressure for any business, and luxury businesses are also not immune from that. So, we are going to look at these collaborators. And finally, we are going to look at different dynamically changing contexts and how you can adapt with this dynamically changing environment. So, more or less, we are going to cover all facets of businesses, including customers, company, collaborators, context, as well as competition. So, that's broadly the program is going to cover. This program is going to design in such a manner that you will understand the strategic nuances of luxury businesses and also try to understand what are the technical levers that you can pull so that these strategic nuances can be addressed. We are going to look at multiple different industries, including apparel, automobile, travel and tourism, etc. Now, why do you go for different industries? Because there are certain practices in some industries that can easily be transferred to your own industry, which may not be very prominent in your industry. So, therefore, we are going to look at this cross-industry knowledge transfer, and that's one of the major objectives of the course, and we select different kinds of case studies from different industries so that you get a really good overall holistic picture about the luxury industry. This is more or less from my side. We have uploaded the program brochure in IIM Ahmedabad website. If you have any doubts or any queries, you can get back to us and we will be more than happy to address your queries. Thank you so much.